Good morning, students. Today I will teach you format function. Format function. So this format function also, it is a designing in the print in the datas. That is a output in the datas. So format function, it is a very it is used to strings very versatile to the powerful function format. That is a powerful function format. That is a strings. If you print out means this is a very powerful function formats. So this is a using for, that is a Hurley braces. Hurley braces you can use. This is open Hurley brace. There is a close Hurley braces. So this open Hurley braces, close Hurley braces is a one of the placeholder. What is this? Placeholder. Placeholders or replacement the field. So that is using for the format function. So this Hurley braces only you can using for the format functions. So this Hurley braces is a one of the placeholder. Placeholder means that place one any value will come. Okay, see on example programs I will teach you. So listen carefully. Number 1 is equal to integer input enter number 1, enter number 1, enter number 1, then double quotation finished, then close bracket, then this bracket, this close, this bracket, this close. Okay, next number 2. Number 2 int input Hurley braces enter number 2 double quotation finish, then parenthesis, then whole parenthesis also finished, then print the print double quotation open, double quotation inside the sum of Hurley braces, then and Hurley braces open, Hurley braces close, then space, on space you can give it, is Hurley braces open, Hurley braces close, double quotation finish. Now put dot. Now you can put dot. Okay, put the dot after format. What is this? Format function you can use. The format function, what does it means? Number 1, num1, comma, num2. Then, comma, parenthesis open, num1 plus num2. Then close parenthesis, then close parenthesis, then again close parenthesis, then overall close parenthesis. So total how many parentheses is there? See here, 1, 2, 3. Then what is this? 3 also finished. See here, 1, 2, 3. 3 also finished. So this is a 3. So now you can run the program, means what output will coming means. See here, please enter your number. First statement, what is this? Is not please enter first number you can enter. Enter number 1 is equal to, for example, 70. Next, what is this? Asking the computer input enter number 2, for example 50. So 50 you can add it. Is not added. Just to see here, this is a 2 number you can enter. After third line, what is this? Print. Print means what we'll do means, see here, this format function, what is the first number? Number 1, number 2, you can dot, you can print it. After that, what is this? Third one, that is a number 1 plus number 2, you can add it and result you can produce. So, this first num1 is here, first Hurley braces. Then num2 it is here, second Hurley braces. Then num1 plus num2, both of them addition after, you can go to third Hurley braces. So that is using for the format function. That is a designing function. So now result, what does it means? The sum of 70 and 50 is 120. So that is a answer. That is a answer. So this like you can using for the format function. This like you can using for the format function. Are you understand the students? So this is called what? Format function. So this is a format function designing. This is a designing. So very carefully you can see the students. So very carefully you can format function. You can see in your book. Then you can understand. Okay. Okay. Students, next I will teach you. That is a built-in function. Built-in string function. So built-in string function, many function is having. So listen carefully. The Python support the following built-in functions in manipulate of the strings. Manipulate means that is a each and everything, every calculation will do it. Okay. See here the first function name. See here the first function name. What is this? Length. Lenstr. That is a len means that is a length. That is a length. So that length, how to calculate that? So how to calculate that? See here, this is a, what is a position, index value, what is it? 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0 to 10 is there. Then total number of strings, what is this? That is a 11. So if you count, that means n plus 1. That is what is this? N plus 1. That is a 10 is there means 1 value you can add it. So total string, what is this? 11. But index value what? N minus 1. N minus 1. Total number of string 11 minus 1 is equal to 10. So that is the index value if you calculate means n minus 1. In case total string you can want means there is a n plus 1. So that like you can use it. Okay. Okay, good students. So next I will teach you. See, next I will teach you capitalized. So capitalized means what? That is a capitalized the first character of the string. See here, city is equal to Chennai. Chennai, what is this? Print city dot capitalized. Capitalized function you can use. Parenthesis open, parenthesis close. So what is it? The first letter only, what is this? The capitalized will come. Okay, next I will teach you center. Okay, the center, what is this? Center means, what is this? Two parameters there, width and fill char. So fill char, see here an example you can see, that means easily you understand. See here, str is equal to welcome. Next one is it? Print str1 dot center 15 comma asterisk. 15 means what? That is a width. Width means what? That is a total number. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total 15 வந்துச்சா with என்னது அதுக்கு அடுத்தது நெக்ஸ்ட் என்னது இந்த வேர்டை சென்டர் பண்ணிட்டு இது என்னது ஆஸ்டிக்கு ஃபில் பண்ணிக்க. So that is what is this? That is a center function. The center function with here you can 15 is there. You give to 50 means the 50 characters will come. But welcome, what will come? There is a center place will come. Okay, good. So next, what does it means? What is the find? So next find. Find is how many parameters there? Substring, starting and ending. Starting, ending means is nothing. Just I will teach you. So see the examples. See here. Students, very carefully you can listen. Okay. So string is equal to mammals. String is equal to string 1 is here mammals. String dot find MA. MA means what? That is the MA means MA in the stringல MA இருக்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேக்குது. ஸோ இப்போ என்ன ஆகுது? on omitted in the starting parameter. Starting parameter. The function start the search from the beginning of the string. Beginning of the string means that is omitted in the starting parameter means see here starting parameter what is this? What is this? Start. Starting parameter is not there. So not there means that is a value what? 0. See here starting parameter I give it. Starting parameter give it means so this MA how many times will coming means see here one time, next time 2 times will coming here. Next one more time what is this? Again if you check it. Again check it means what? That is the index value where is start. That is a MA. That is how many times will come. 1, 2, 3. 3 times will come. So that is what is this? That is a each and every time will come. So next what is this? MA string. Starting value you can there. Starting value where it is there? Starting 0, 1, 2. This like will come. So next what does it means? That is a fourth, that is a 0 to fourth character. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to A. Up to A means what is this? MA is not there. That is a -1. Next see here. MA up to 5 means what will come? 5 here. 2, 3 times will come. MA is a 2 times will come. So that is a finding the search. Substring. SUB means substring. In case is not there, -1 if you return. In case is not there means -1 return. In case starting value is not there means 0 will be written. So don't confuse. Okay. So next I will teach you. There is a many function is there. See here each and everything I will teach you. See, listen carefully. This is what is alphanumeric. That is a full form of is alphanumeric. The alphanumeric means is nothing. str1 is equal to save earth. Save earth. str1 is alphanumeric. Alphanumeric means idla alphanumeric irukanu kekudhu. Alphanumeric means nothing. Just alpha is mean letters. Numeric means that is a numbers. So alpha is there, numeric is not there. So in case see here the function return the false as per the space is also numeric character. Also numeric character. Then false. See in case the save one earth dot is equal to true. So here what is this? Alphanumeric is there. That is it true. So here what is this? Here space is there means that is a false. Okay. In case sir inga na continuous irukku edume na kudukala appadina it is it true. So space is there means that is a space. Then special character is there means see here space special character is there means that is a contain in false. Okay. See here it returned the false. If string contain any special character like is there means that is a false. In case alpha and numeric is there means that is a true. Okay, next is alpha. Next is alpha means alpha is there means that is a true. Alpha is not there means false. Alpha numeric is there means false. So this is a strings. So next word is a digit. Only digit. Digit is there means what is this? True. Digit is not there means false. Okay. Okay. Next to lower case. Lower means what? Lower means what? Lower case. Lower case. In case caps locks give it means that case will coming means print str dot lower function equal means all the letters lower case will come. Next word is lower. Is lower means return true if the string is lower case. See here. Welcome. Is lower na இந்த string lower caseல இருக்கா இல்ல upper caseல இருக்கா அப்படிங்கிறது செக் பண்றது. Return true means if a string is lower case. In case false means upper case is there. Okay, next upper case. Upper case check. Upper case is there means so true. Lower case there means false. Next upper. That is a lower case to upper case you can change, you know. This is a see here. This is a welcome small case is there. That is the output. What is this? Upper case is there. So that is called to upper case. Okay. Next function what is title? Title means what? Return a string in title case. Title case means what? Each and every letters beginning of the letters it is a upper case will come. This is a Python built-in functions in strings. Okay. Next what is this? Swap case. Swap case means what? That is a upper case to lower case. Lower case alla upper case. So see that. See here. இங்க நான் எல்லாமே என்னது upper case lower case கொடுத்தனா அது அப்படியே ஆப்போசிட் இங்க இருக்குது பாரு. That is a swap. This is a swap. Swap function you can using means that is using upper case la lower case la lower case la upper case la. So next string see listen count. Count start beginning end. str string begin and end. Begin and end means nothing. See here str1 is equal to Raja Solan. Print str1 count Raja. Raja how many time is there? இப்போ இங்க beginning end நான் கொடுக்கல. beginning end கொடுக்கலனா starting to ending எவ்வளவு string இருக்கோ அத்தனை stringையும் செக் பண்ணனும் கவுண்ட் பண்ணனும். கவுண்ட் பண்ணி ஆஃப்டர் வாட் இஸ் 2 இருக்கும். ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் print str is equal to r. r கொடுத்திருக்கேன். r கொடுத்தனே என்னது ஸ்மால் r கொடுத்திருக்கறனால இருக்கிற எல்லா ஸ்ட்ரிங்கையும் செக் பண்ணும். செக் பண்ணிட்டு என்னது கேபிட்டல் r இருக்கு ஆனா ஸ்மால் r இல்ல. அப்ப என்ன 0 ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணுது. இன் கேஸ் கேபிட்டல் r கொடுத்தனா என்ன ஆகும் 2 ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணுது. So this is a count function. This is a count function work. Print str1 is equal to count a. A how many times will come? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times will come. So 5 times is there. So next str1 count a. A எத்தனை டைம் இருக்கு எங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணனும் 0 ல இருந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி 5 குள்ள இருக்கிற இன்டெக்ஸ் வேல்யூ. சோ இங்க என்னது 0வா 0 1 2 3 4 5 இந்த r வரையும் செக் பண்ணனும். இந்த r வரையும் செக் பண்ணா எத்தனையே இருக்கு 2 இருக்கு. 2 மட்டும் எடுத்து கொடுத்துச்சு. சோ இங்க என்ன செஞ்சோ 5 எல்லா ஸ்ட்ரிங்கையும் செக் பண்ணிருச்சு. நம்ம ஸ்டார்டிங் வேல்யூ கொடுக்கல எண்டிங் வேல்யூ கொடுக்கல. எல்லாத்தையுமே செக் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருச்சு. ஓகே குட். நெக்ஸ்ட் வாட் இஸ் திஸ் print. Print str is equal to count a up to 11. Up to 11 means this is the ending value or starting value. Starting value. Starting value means வேற எங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. சோ இங்க இருந்து இது வரையும். இங்க இருந்து இது வரையும்னா 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 11னா இங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணனும். ஸ்டார்டிங் வேல்யூ. அப்ப என்ன இங்க எத்தனை இருக்கு 1 இருக்கு. சோ 1 ரிட்டர்ன் பண்ணிடுச்சு. So this is a string count function. String count function. Sir next என்னது ORD. ஆல்ரெடி இந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனை நம்ம முன்னாடியே பார்த்திருக்கோம். ரிட்டர்ன் ASCII வேல்யூ கொடுக்கும். ASCII வேல்யூ எப்படி கொடுக்குது இங்க பாருங்க. கேபிட்டல் N உடைய ASCII வேல்யூ 65. print ORD CH means இந்த A உடைய ASCII வேல்யூ கொடுக்கும். சார் இன் கேஸ் ORD B means so numeric வேல்யூ கொடுக்கும். அவ்வளவுதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ். சார் இந்த கேர்னா என்னது ASCII வேல்யூ கொடுக்கும். ASCII value என்னது? That is a CH is equal to 97. CH or CH means CH 97 equal to A. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? care of character. இதனுடைய வேல்யூ அப்படியே ASCII வேல்யூ கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி A கொடுக்கும். 87 னா W. So this is a string built-in function in Python. So these and all you can learn. That is a definitely 1 mark will come. Already one table I said. That table also will come. This table also will come. Okay. Thank you, students.